आमा बुवाले तिम्रा ती साना कलिला हात समाती कक्षा 1 मा नयाँ विद्यालय भर्ना गरेको छन्। आज 10 वर्षपछि फेरि त्यसरी नै यस कलेजमा भर्ना गरेको छन्। हो, यो दुवै समयको सुरुवातमा हुन्छ बेग्लै किसिमको डर आफ्नो साथ, र अबको डरलाई कम गर्न ग्लोबल कलेजले बढाउने छ सहयोगको हात। जीवनको करियरमा यो पहिलो श्रृङ्खला चाल्दैछौ, यहाँ तिमीले आफ्नो पहिलो पाइला। जोश र जागरका साथ अध्ययन रूपी मार्गमा अघि बढ्नु, जीवनलाई सार्थक तुल्याउन कहिले पछि नसर्नु। A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today is a special day, not just for our new juniors, but also for all of us seniors who have been eagerly waiting for this day. Today, I, Sneha Mandal, on behalf of all the grade 12 students, stand before you with a heart full of warmth and nostalgia. Welcoming you to our college feels like opening a new chapter in a book that's been cherished for years. It's a moment filled with both excitement and emotion, as I vividly remember my own journey from being a newcomer to becoming a senior. It feels like just yesterday when I was sitting in your place, feeling the same mix of excitement and nervousness that you might be experiencing right now. Stepping into this college as a new student, I remember the overwhelming thoughts I had, wondering what the journey ahead would be like, whether I would make friends or if I could keep up with the academic demands. But let me tell you, this journey is one of the most beautiful and transformative phases of your life. For me, this 1 year was not just filled with the memories of doing plenty of homeworks, having sleepless nights, chit-chats with friends or the trip experiences, but was also filled with a lot of memories connected with the club events. Club events have been one of the most exciting time of my days in grade 11. From participating in numerous events as volunteers and participant to finally becoming an executive member of a club in grade 12. This leap was only possible because of the constant dedication, hard work, and discipline that I bore since the beginning of grade 11. And these qualities developed in me only because of the constant motivation given by my wonderful teachers for doing something good in life and to be a better version of myself. Without my teachers' support, I could never be here standing in front of you all delivering this speech. So dear juniors, one suggestion. The door you never open could lead to the opportunity you have always been waiting for. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. So go for it, juniors. Everybody will challenge you because everybody is best here. So make sure to grab all the opportunities that you get in these 2 years of your college. You might be thinking that it's so easy to tell people to just go and grab the opportunities. But we always have the question, what if we fail? Yes, you will definitely fail. One example of a girl who I know very properly. So she had taken part in public speaking competition in grade 11, and she got selected out of many people who had given audition. She was talented, confident, and every teacher had expected that she can do the best. But on the final day, when her turn came to speak in front of so many people, she got blank and she could not complete her speech. She became embarrassed in front of both teachers and hundreds of students sitting there. All those confidence she had gained slowly after coming to a new college was just shattered in a couple of minutes. Yes, it was difficult for her to make a good comeback in a college after being embarrassed, but she tried her best and is still trying through the helping hands of the wonderful teachers. And do you want to know what's her name? Yes, it was none other than me, myself, Sneha. This was just a very small example of my life. You'll face plenty of failures in life and the real struggles are yet to come. So keep trying. I studied 10 years in a girls' school. So for me, coming to a co-education college was a very difficult task. I had no old friends of my school here, no cousins who studied from this college. So for me, this college was so new that I just felt like the little girl who entered into the school in grade 1. But after spending 1 year in this college, now it seems, yes, this college is worth studying. Yes, it's worth it, juniors. This college is a place where dreams are nurtured and friendships are forged. It's a space where you'll encounter challenges, but also where you'll discover strength and resilience within yourself that you never knew existed within yourself. This college helps us to be disciplined in life. Global college. Yes, with the name itself, the first impression that you got of it was it gives a lot of homeworks, right? And it is true also, but mark my words, juniors. All the efforts that you put in doing your assignments right now will show its fruitful results in future. So embrace this journey with open heart and mind. Don't be afraid to step out of this comfort zone, because that's where the real growth happens. I want you to know that you're not alone in this journey. Every one of us here was once in your shoes feeling a same mixture of excitement and apprehension. And just as our seniors guided us, we are here to support you in every step of the way. Whether it's navigating a difficult assignment, finding your place in vast area of activities, or simply needing someone to talk to, we are here for you. As you step into this new chapter, cherish the moments, both big and small, because they will shape who you are and who you are becoming. Trust that this journey, though it may have its own challenges, will also be filled with incredible experiences and profound growth. Welcome to Global College of Management. We are excited to share this journey with you and watch you flourish. Let's make this a memorable and beautiful experience together. Lastly, a short message from all the seniors to you lovely juniors. We met as a stranger, but we will depart as a Globalian family. Namaste and thank you. Have a great day.